guys, what's up, and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. For today's video, I'm going to be doing some slime makeovers again, so I hope that you guys enjoy this one. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. Also guys, after you're done watching this video, be sure to check out my main channel. I feel like a lot of you guys don't know that I do have another channel, so if you haven't seen it yet, I'll have a link for it below. And yeah, I think that's all I had to say, so without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, this is the first slime that I'm going to be fixing today. It is an orange base with some red foam beads. So you guys can probably tell by now, the slime is completely melted. But before I start fixing it, I'm gonna go ahead and scoop out the foam beads. I saw a few comments from you guys that I should use a strainer to do this, which I thought was such a good idea, so I'm definitely gonna try that out. But for now, I'm just gonna scoop them out, and this took me about like 8 to 10 minutes. As per usual, I'm going to go ahead and reactivate the slime. Now to give the slime a complete makeover, the first thing I'm going to do is add some shaving cream. I'm going to change up the color by adding some blue acrylic paint. You can of course use whatever color that you want. I want to turn this into a butter slime, so I'm going to add half a pack of some Daiso clay. You can also use Model Magic, but in my opinion, Daiso clay is much better for butter slime. I have my slime in a container and I'm going to top it off by adding some rainbow sprinkles. And then I'm also going to add this cloud charm that I made. It's so cute and I think it goes perfectly with this slime. This is the slime before the makeover, and here it is after. This is the next slime that I'm going to be fixing. It is a green clear slime and there are like some fruit slices in there as well. So I opened up the container and the slime was completely melted. So I'm gonna pour it into a bowl, and as I mentioned, there are like fruit slices in the slime, but I don't want them anymore. So if I end up getting any of them like in the bowl, I'm just gonna pick them out. Now I'm just reactivating the slime. It is now time to give this slime a makeover. So I'm gonna add a drop of blue food coloring to kind of get this like mermaid blue-green color. I'm sure you guys already know by the thumbnail of this video that I'm making like a mermaid inspired slime. So yeah, I'm just adding a bunch of different kinds of glitter. We have like silver chunky glitter, fine glitter, and basically just a whole lot of glitter. So the slime is pretty much done at this point, and all you want to do is put it in an airtight container and let it clear up. In the meantime, I thought it would be really cute to make a charm to go with it. So I'm going to be making a super adorable seashell charm. I have some polymer clay here and I'm going to start shaping it. You want it to be flat at the bottom and like rounded at the top. Then using a dotting tool or a toothpick, you want to make the indents. And then using an X-Acto knife, I'm making some more indents to add the details. Of course, I have to add a face to the charm, so I have some black polymer clay here, and I'm going to cut 2 small pieces, round those up into small balls, and pop those on for the eyes. And then for the smile, I made a little U-like shape, and I'm also going to pop that on. By the way guys, this charm is not just for slime. If you insert an eye pin, you can turn this into a necklace or even a keychain. So yeah, this is not just for slime. You can also make it into anything else. Once you're done, all you want to do is let that bake in the oven. So I have my slime here and I'm just going to pop the charm on. This was the slime before the makeover, and here it is after. Over the last couple of months, I have gotten so many requests to do a squishy makeover, so very last minute, I decided that I would do one in this video. I'm going to be doing like a really simple and easy makeover. So this is a squishy that I'm going to be using. I got this squishy from Wish or from Amazon. I'm not really sure, but it was for like $1 or $2, so it was very inexpensive. Anyway, the first thing I'm going to do is mix up some fabric paint. I'm going to be using white and pink to get like this medium pink color. Then I'm just going to paint that on using a popsicle stick. And the first layer will be very patchy, so you will have to do about like 2 to 3 layers, I would say. You want to let this dry completely, and now I'm going to move on to the whipped cream. So I'm just going in with some white and I'm just going to paint the entire thing. Then I'm going to go over the hot chocolate using some brown fabric paint. And I'm not changing much about this squishy because I do like the whipped cream and like the hot chocolate. It's only like the cup part that I didn't really like. And oh, I did also change the color of the straw because I thought green would look better. And finally, the last thing I'm going to do is add a cute face, because adding a face just makes everything so much better in my opinion. This was the squishy before the makeover, and here it is after. And that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.